Okay, so now we're looking at the hydrological cycle. So complete the labels C, D, and E. A and B have been given as examples. A, infiltration, B, interception. We're looking for C, D, and E now. Looking here, A, infiltration. So the rainfall, the precipitation has gone through the surface of the ground and down into the ground. B, interception. So the rainfall, precipitation has gone down and it's been stopped by the vegetation. So C over here, we can see it's going in a opposite direction to the rest. It's going up. So have a think about the hydrological cycle. These are outputs. It's going from the clouds to the ground, or at least towards the surface, and this is the part that delivers the water back up into the atmosphere. So this is the evaporation. Next part, D. This is where the rain goes down, or the precipitation goes down, and this is also called precipitation or rainfall. Okay, now the last one, E. So we've had the rainfall, we've had the precipitation, it's hit the ground, and it doesn't just stay there because there's a slope. It goes downhill. So this is called runoff or overland flow. Now, next question, what is meant by the following terms? Infiltration, interception. So think about what I just mentioned, or if you have your own idea, great. Infiltration. So that is when we have the rain goes down or the precipitation, and instead of it running off or just sitting there, it goes into the ground. Interception, that is not the same as infiltration. The rainfall, the precipitation has been stopped. It's been stopped here. So it's been collected or trapped by vegetation. It's being held by the leaves. Explain how deforestation disrupts the hydrological cycle. Looking at the diagram, we do not have B anymore, so there is no infiltration. If there's no infiltration, then these other parts need to increase. So we have more runoff, more infiltration. What's that going to do? Well, in an extreme event, a flooding event, there is not this store anymore. So there's going to be more flooding. The area will be more prone to flooding. And we can also mention in more detail about how the water is not stored in the biosphere. It's not being held by the vegetation anymore. Suggest another way that people can disrupt the hydrological cycle. So apart from chopping down the trees, the vegetation, what else can change the cycle? We can change parts of the cycle. For instance, we can increase runoff by adding surfaces such as pavements that do not allow for infiltration. If we do not have infiltration, we have runoff. There are other ways as well. We can build things like dams. Dams will hold the water and will not allow it to flow in the way that it once flowed. Let's see what else. So we have dams, agriculture. So agriculture will put gullies into the fields, which will direct rainfall away from the fields and stop so much infiltration. Urbanization, again, building pavements, surfaces that cannot be infiltrated will do that. And also climate change or global warming. So people are causing this, so this is increasing the cycle. In some areas, there will be less rainfall, less evaporation, or more evaporation. In others, it will be the opposite.